specific topic, Gandhian way of leadership is what we are going to be discussing. And as we all shared, we have a couple of questions for on behalf of our community. We have today as a panel discussion leaders, Ms. Varsha Subhash is there here with us.
Understand about Gandhian's way of leadership. Namaste to everyone and good evening to everybody joining us on this platform, Leaders Connect. I know it's a very enriching platform where we connect with the top leaders to understand the real-time challenges and get the solutions. So today is, we have been, as Mr. Harish was mentioning, that leadership is something which is very, very broad topic, but then narrowing it down to a specific, context or a style, if we were to say, Gandhian's way. And we all know he has been an icon in Indian legacy. So let's see what is in more for us today to understand from Gandhian's way of leadership in our current world, where we as leaders can implement and become better, because he has been a great leader. So on that note, Harish, we do have a question for you from our leaders, which is, we would like to know your views about Gandhian's way of leadership, and very specifically is how is it aligned with today's corporate environment? Because he has been in his own period, and to apply and to implement in this current phase that we are in, how do we connect his style and we become a great leader?
Okay, so I pretended that you are going to bring me down on this issue. So,
not really.
Gandhian way in today's current management or political whatever leadership we talk about, right? See, for any leader, the first thing it should have the purpose. The day he was thrown out of the train, in the back of his mind, he said, "You have thrown me out of train, I will throw you out of country." With that mission, all the activity he has aligned to that. So first learning for today's corporate world, that you should be clear in your purpose.
Beautifully said.
Why Mahatma Gandhi, why Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi becomes Mahatma Gandhi? In corporate world language, I will say, he said, I will work. He has never said that I will work from 9 to 6. He has never said I want uniform, 3 pairs, 4 pairs of uniform. He has not asked that I want 10 days CL, 5 days, 8 days SL and PL, right? Various type of leave. He has never asked that. He never argued with the Britishers that if you touch me, I will leave the job. Once the mission is decided, conceived, unconditional falling into that, whatever comes into way, I have to achieve this. So that's another thing what the today's leadership has to learn from Mahatma Gandhi. That once we are through with this objective, once we are clear with our vision, once we are clear with the purpose, then we have to be with that purpose, what may come. So that is the way in today's context we can really apply Gandhian way of leadership. Second, the major part of today's leader, what I see is standing on the spine. Most of the leaders are selfish. I can tell on record, most of the leaders, either it is positional leader or they are political leader or they are spiritual leader, whatever. So they don't have spine to stand, right? So as a leader, once we have committed to our objective, our purpose, our vision, we have to stand on that ethically. Ethically, word I'm using is purposefully. Ethically, we have to stand on that.
Great insights on how we can imbibe certain qualities of Gandhiji to apply in a corporate environment. 3 clear standout points stood out. So one is a clear purpose. Second one is the unconditionally, you don't have to seek for anything, and just ensure that you create a plan for it and keep progressing. And third is more about being more ethical. So that really gives us a lot of understanding of how we can become an effective leader.
Welcome to Leaders Connect, an online leadership community where leaders create more leaders. This is a CSR initiative by Bija Training, and organized by the Mask Leadership. I'm Go Prabhakaran. I work for My Big Break. Leaders Connect is started with the specific objective of creating 1,000+ leaders, all the working professionals and business people who are facing real-time challenges in leading self, leading others, and in leading their businesses. Share them on our website, themaskleadership.com. We read through all the challenges, filter them, and every week on Wednesday, we invite a top management leader from the corporate world and look forward to solutions for our real-time challenges on leadership. That's our way to leaders create more leaders.